In this paper, we present an SoK about binary disassembly. In the past 20 years, plenty of binary disassemblers appeared under both open source licenses and commercial licenses. These disassemblers greatly benefit binary analysis and binary security. However, the development of disassemblers creates a knowledge gap around three questions. First, what are the strategies used by these disassemblers? Second, what is the coverage and accuracy of different strategies? What are the trade-offs? Third, what errors did these disassemblers make and why? To answer these three questions, we performed a comprehensive study of existing disassemblers. We examined the source code of 9 tools and summarized their strategies. We also launched a large-scale evaluation to understand the degree of use, precision, and pitfalls of each tool and each strategy. Finally, please check out our paper, code, and data, and see you at SMP 2021.